So I got this TV, my fiance's dad's TV is an LG 42 LE 5400. No picture, no sound. Front lights come on. But it doesn't come on. Everything I looked on online pointed towards power supply. Just got done putting the new one in. That's the old one. Still doesn't work. So what I'm gonna try is I'm gonna take out the other main board. Right online, you can bake it at 385 for 10 minutes, and that'll in turn reflow all the solder, kind of set everything back right again. So I'm gonna tear this thing down and see how that works. 10 minutes, 385. We'll see how it goes. Here it is. Just got done baking it at 385 for 10 minutes. I read online that it's best to let it cool down in the oven so that it doesn't cool down too fast, and it'll kind of put everything into shock and just mess it up more than it was. So I'm going to give it a little bit in there, let it cool off, and hopefully it works. Well, I just tested it and it did work. There's the main board back in the TV. I haven't put the back on yet, just in case it didn't work. So let's try this again. See if it works again. Turn it on. There it goes. So apparently baking your main board at 385, for 10 minutes will fix your main board. Really thought it was a power supply, and I also read somewhere that if a power supply goes, it may also screw up the main board, so that might be what happened, but there we go. I fixed it. So now you guys can try it out.